If you want to be the person that organizations rely on when things go wrong, and the person that can be there to prevent those things from going wrong in the first place, this is the program for you. My name is Francis Sims, and I'm an Associate Dean here in the Faculty of Applied Sciences and Technology at Humber Polytechnic. Cybersecurity is no longer only an IT problem, it's also a business continuity problem. And students graduating from this program get to ask themselves, how do we protect our organizations in a world where cybersecurity incidents happen every single day? And the focus of this program ultimately is to prepare learners to help build cyber-resilient organizations. Throughout the entire program, the students not only learn about the academic pieces of cybersecurity and maybe write some papers, but they're focused on touching the equipment and interacting with the partners and the customers that they will be with when they go into the workplace. This program has built from the ground up with industry engagement and involvement, which means that industry is there every step of the way, so that when students finish the program, they can transition directly to industry. And a lot of that has to do with the hands-on learning. For example, a student may, as part of their final project or their capstone project, they may develop an incident response plan or a security assessment tool that's both in software and on paper. They'll be running simulations with partners, real partners that need cybersecurity help throughout the program, so that not only have they been able to interact with partners in an applied way, but they have experience that they can put on their resume that'll help them to then transition into that same workforce. Currently, there are millions of unfilled cybersecurity positions globally, and a number of them are actually in Canada and throughout North America. So I think that students that graduate from this program will go and work in roles. They could be running the cybersecurity operations team at a big hospital here. They could be working at one of our big banks, or they could be going and working with one of the big tech providers that might come to mind when you think about Silicon Valley. So anywhere you can imagine you want to work needs a cybersecurity professional, and definitely needs one that graduates from this program.